The Harmony of Skyloria. In the heart of the sprawling continent of Etheria, nestled between majestic mountains and lush forests, lay the city of Skyloria. Known as the City of Harmony, Skyloria was a marvel of modern architecture and natural beauty, seamlessly blending the wonders of human ingenuity with the splendor of nature. Its skyline was adorned with towering skyscrapers that glistened like crystal in the sunlight, while its streets were lined with vibrant greenery and cascading flowers. Skyloria was famous not only for its stunning aesthetics but also for its commitment to sustainability and community living. The city was designed with a vision of harmony between humans and nature, between technology and tradition, and between the diverse cultures of its inhabitants. This vision was championed by the city's founding leader, Arielira, whose dream was to create a utopia where everyone could thrive. On a bright and crisp morning, 15-year-old Aiden stood at the window of his family's apartment, gazing out at the bustling city below. The air was filled with the gentle hum of electric vehicles and the distant chatter of people starting their day. Aiden loved mornings in Skyloria. They were filled with a sense of promise and possibility. Aiden's family had moved to Skyloria 5 years ago, drawn by the city's reputation for innovation and inclusiveness. His parents were environmental scientists, working on projects to enhance the city's green infrastructure. Aiden, on the other hand, was an aspiring musician with a passion for technology. He often dreamed of combining his love for music with the advanced tech that Skyloria was known for. "Breakfast is ready," called his mother from the kitchen, breaking Aiden's reverie. "Coming, Mom," he replied, turning away from the window. As they sat down to eat, Aiden's father looked at him with a smile. "Excited for the Harmony Festival today?" The Harmony Festival was an annual event celebrating the city's founding principles. It featured music, art, food, and technology, showcasing the talents and cultures of Skyloria's diverse population. This year, Aiden had been selected to perform a piece he had composed using a blend of traditional instruments and digital soundscapes. "I can't wait," Aiden said, his eyes lighting up. "I've been working on my performance for weeks. It's going to be amazing." "We're so proud of you, Aiden," his mother said warmly. "Your music truly captures the spirit of Skyloria." After breakfast, Aiden grabbed his digital tablet and set out for the festival grounds. As he walked through the streets, he marveled at the city's beauty. Skyloria was designed with interconnected parks, rooftop gardens, and vertical forests that provided a haven for wildlife and a breath of fresh air for its residents. Solar panels and wind turbines were seamlessly integrated into buildings, providing clean energy for the entire city. The festival grounds were already buzzing with activity. Stalls selling artisanal crafts, delicious food, and innovative gadgets lined the walkways. Aiden could hear the sounds of different musical performances blending together, creating a harmonious symphony that filled the air. "Aiden! Over here!" called a familiar voice. Aiden turned to see his best friend, Lila, waving at him. Lila was an artist who specialized in augmented reality installations. She was also performing at the festival, showcasing an interactive art piece that allowed visitors to create their own virtual landscapes. Hey, Lila. How's your installation coming along? Aiden asked as he approached her. It's going great. I just finished setting up. You should come by and try it out before your performance, Lila said excitedly. I will. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you've created, Aiden replied with a smile. They chatted for a while, catching up on their projects and sharing their excitement for the festival. Eventually, Aiden made his way to the main stage, where he would be performing later in the day. He checked in with the stage manager and did a quick sound check, ensuring that all his equipment was working perfectly. As he prepared for his performance, Aiden thought about the inspiration behind his music. Skyloria had taught him that true harmony came from embracing diversity and working together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. His composition reflected this philosophy, blending different musical traditions and technologies to create a unique and uplifting sound. Finally, the time for his performance arrived. The crowd gathered around the main stage, their faces filled with anticipation. Aiden took a deep breath and stepped onto the stage, feeling a mixture of nerves and excitement. Good afternoon, everyone, he began, his voice steady. My name is Aiden, and I'm honored to share my music with you today. This piece is called Harmony of Skyloria, and it's dedicated to the city and its people who inspire me every day. He began to play, his fingers dancing across the keys of his digital keyboard while his other hand manipulated a touch-screen interface that controlled the digital soundscapes. The music started with soft, melodic tones reminiscent of traditional Ethiopian folk songs. Gradually, he layered in electronic beats and synthesized harmonies, creating a rich and immersive sound that filled the air. The crowd listened in rapt attention, captivated by the beauty and complexity of the music. Aiden could see the expressions of wonder and joy on their faces, and it filled him with a sense of fulfillment. He had always believed that music had the power to bring people together, and in that moment, he felt a deep connection with everyone in the audience. As the final notes of his performance echoed through the festival grounds, the crowd erupted into applause. Aiden smiled and bowed, feeling a wave of gratitude and pride. Thank you, Skyloria, he called out. May we always strive for harmony and unity in our lives. After his performance, Aiden was surrounded by friends, family, and well-wishers who congratulated him on his incredible performance. Lila ran up to him and gave him a high five. You were amazing, Aiden. Your music was so beautiful and powerful, she said, beaming with pride. Thanks, Lila. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I couldn't have done it without the inspiration from this amazing city, Aiden replied, feeling a warm glow of happiness. As the day continued, Aiden and Lila explored the festival together, enjoying the various performances, art exhibits, and delicious food. They visited Lila's augmented reality installation, where Aiden created a stunning virtual landscape that combined elements of Skyloria's architecture with fantastical elements like floating islands and shimmering waterfalls. This is so cool, Lila. Your installation is incredible, Aiden said, admiring his creation. Thanks, Aiden. I love how everyone brings their own unique vision to the landscapes. It's like a collective work of art, Lila replied, pleased with the positive feedback. As the sun began to set, the festival transitioned into a nighttime celebration with lanterns, light shows, and fireworks. Aiden and Lila found a spot near the central fountain, where they could watch the festivities unfold. Skyloria is truly a special place, Lila said, gazing at the illuminated cityscape. It's amazing how we've created a community that values creativity, sustainability, and harmony. Yeah, I feel so lucky to be a part of it, Aiden agreed. And I'm excited to see what the future holds for us and for the city. As they watched the fireworks light up the sky, Aiden felt a deep sense of contentment. He knew that Skyloria was more than just a city, it was a living, breathing example of what was possible when people came together with a shared vision of harmony and progress. The following day, Aiden and Lila returned to their regular routines, but the spirit of the Harmony Festival lingered with them. Inspired by the festival's message, they decided to collaborate on a new project that combined their talents in music and art. Let's create an interactive musical art installation, Lila suggested. We can use augmented reality to visualize your music in real time, allowing people to experience it in a whole new way. That sounds amazing. I love the idea of merging our creative fields. Let's get started, Aiden agreed, excited by the prospect. They spent the next few weeks brainstorming ideas, designing the installation, and working on the technical aspects. Aiden composed new music specifically for the project, incorporating elements of Skyloria's diverse cultural influences. Lila designed the visual components, creating stunning AR visuals that would respond to the music's rhythm and melodies. As they worked, they received support and encouragement from their community. The Skyloria Art and Technology Council provided them with a grant to fund the project, and local businesses offered to sponsor the installation. Finally, the day of the unveiling arrived. The installation was set up in Skyloria's Central Park, a beautiful green space that served as a hub for community events and activities. People of all ages gathered to see the new attraction, eager to experience the innovative fusion of music and art. Aiden and Lila stood together, ready to introduce their creation to the public. Welcome, everyone, to the Symphony of Skyloria, Aiden began. This installation is a celebration of our city's spirit of harmony and creativity. We invite you to immerse yourselves in the music and visuals, and to create your own unique experiences. As the music began to play, the AR visuals came to life, dancing and evolving with the melodies. Visitors used their smartphones and AR glasses to interact with the installation, creating personalized visual interpretations of the music. Children laughed and played, adults marveled at the technology, and artists found inspiration in the dynamic interplay of sound and light. This is incredible, Aiden. Look at how everyone is engaging with it, Lila said, her eyes shining with joy. I know. It's exactly what we hoped for, a shared, immersive experience that brings people together, Aiden replied, feeling a deep sense of satisfaction. The installation quickly became a beloved feature of Skyloria, attracting visitors from near and far. It served as a reminder of the city's commitment to innovation, collaboration, and the celebration of diversity. Months passed, and Skyloria continued to thrive. The city's reputation as a beacon of harmony and progress grew, attracting new residents and visitors who were eager to experience its unique blend of technology and nature. Aiden and Lila's Symphony of Skyloria installation remained a popular attraction, and the success of their project opened new doors for them. They were invited to collaborate on other city initiatives, including educational programs, public art projects, and community events. One day, as they worked on a new project in Skyloria's Innovation Hub, Aiden received a message from the City Council. He read it aloud to Lila, his voice filled with excitement. "They want us to join the Skyloria Visionary Council. They believe our work embodies the city's principles and want us to help shape its future." Lila's eyes widened with amazement. "That's an incredible honor, Aiden. We'll have the opportunity to make a real impact on the city we love." "I know. It's a dream come true. Let's accept the invitation and continue working towards a brighter future for Skyloria," Aiden said, his heart swelling with pride. As members of the Visionary Council, Aiden and Lila contributed their ideas and expertise to various city projects, always striving to uphold Skyloria's values of harmony, innovation, and sustainability. They worked alongside other passionate individuals, learning from each other and growing as both artists and community leaders. Through their efforts, Skyloria continued to evolve, setting new standards for urban living and proving that a city built on principles of harmony and inclusiveness could thrive in a rapidly changing world. Years later, Aiden stood on the balcony of his apartment, gazing out at the city he had come to love so deeply. Skyloria had grown and changed, but its core values remained the same. The skyline was a testament to human ingenuity and the beauty of nature, a harmonious blend that reflected the city's spirit. As he watched the sunset paint the sky in vibrant hues, Aiden felt a profound sense of gratitude. He had found his place in Skyloria, a city where creativity, collaboration, and harmony were not just ideals, but a way of life. Turning to his digital keyboard, he began to play a new composition, inspired by the journey he had taken and the city that had nurtured his dreams. The music flowed through him, a symphony of Skyloria, capturing the essence of a city that had taught him the true meaning of harmony. And as the final notes lingered in the evening air, Aiden knew that he was exactly where he was meant to be, in the heart of Skyloria, the city of harmony. The end.